just under 20, so I'm gonna keep him. I hope that was on camera. He jumped out of one bucket into the other. You got another one. What do we got here? Another pike wrapped up, snagged. That's right. That was good anyway. So I mostly came out to this local little lake, so I knew it was full of hammer handles. It's nice to catch something, especially early spring like this. But fish are kind of in a bad mood, but the pike are going good. Under 22. Oh, come on, guy, you're probably bigger than the lure. Just a little too small. Until the 24th, so I'll throw him back. This one bit like 4 times before I finally hooked it. Oh yeah, probably a little slimer. We got the front hook this time. Simmer down. Well, there's another 20 inch anyways, so no waste.